Good afternoon, everyone. I've just come in for a walk on Whitegate Drive again because I'm going to have a look to see how the fuel station's going on. Down at the Tesco Express. Oh, look at this before we do though. Look how beautiful that is. That is fuchsia, Mrs. Popple. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful bush that. One of the few hardy fuchsias that you can get. I've seen that thing survive some fierce winters, not in Blackpool but over in West Yorkshire. I've seen them buried under snow and still be very happy the next year. They're very amazing plants. So I'm just going to head down there, so I'll rejoin you in just a minute. So yeah, just coming up close to the row of shops again on my left, and on my right you can see a couple of other ones there. You've got Relish and eFix, and you've got an empty one there. Used to be Morrison's at one point. It was a video rental place at one point as well. It's been quite a few things over its years, and it's now sat empty. It's been empty for absolutely ages. So just coming up to the fuel station now. I see pumps have been delivered. There's nothing been put in place yet though. Got any? No. Let's get a bit closer, shall we? Have a closer look. There it goes. Pop you through the fencing. Just pop you through the fencing. There you go. There's some fuel pumps all lined up there, waiting to go in. How cool. So if you remember, I was having a look where they put the green storage tanks. So they're all in place now. It's all concreted over, pretty much ready just to have the pumps placed in, and it's ready to go. Remember, it opens on the 11th, so last time I spoke to the guys down here, it was still on track to open on the 11th, so it all should be good. So it's looking like it's still on track to open on the 11th. The shop has been open. It's just the fuel station that's been closed while they're doing this work. Obviously, because they've literally ripped everything out. All this canopy above is all brand new. But it is starting to come together, and it is looking really, really smart now. Look at that. So yeah, right over the road from the Tesco station, there's a B&M stores. There's a Sayers bakery over there. It looks like a tattoo studio, a betting shop, a barber's. There's a chemist over there as well. I'm not sure what the colour lounge is, but. And this is the Saddle Chippy. This closed a couple of Fridays ago, and basically the staff that were in here all went and got different jobs. They all moved on. Now it says closed to refurbishment, so whether it comes back as a chippy or whether it comes back as a local kebab house, who knows? Your guess is as good as mine on that one. And then there we have the Saddle Pub. Very historical building. Dates back to something like the 17th century. It's very, very old is this place. So you have a look at the blue plaque anyway. I love how they always put plants out. I'll show you. There you go. Dates back to 1776. You can pause the video and read that. So yeah, they always put on a really good display of summer bedding plants out here. And fuchsias and all sorts, begonias, and there's some beautiful plants out here. Look at all this colour, it's gorgeous, isn't it? And then they do it all across the beer garden as well. So you walk down here, got all the baskets out. It's absolutely stunning, beautiful looking place. So of course this coming Saturday and Sunday, 12th and 13th of August, is a Blackpool Airshow. I did put a post on my community section which lists all the flying times for Saturday and Sunday. Now obviously, weather permitting, any mechanical issues with planes, any illnesses with pilots, etc. So if everything goes to plan, that will go ahead. Starts at 2 o'clock. If you are travelling to Blackpool, oh my goodness, be here so early, because you won't find anywhere to park if you're not. You will end up with a parking ticket if you just park anywhere, because airshow weekends, firework championships weekends, switch on weekends, I'll tell you what, the traffic wardens are as hot as horseradish sauce. They are absolutely mega hot on it. So yeah, that's the air show this Saturday and Sunday. And next, the following weekend, which is it the 19th and 20th? It's the 1940s weekend in Lytham, on Lytham Green near the windmill. That's a good weekend as well. I'm just in the grounds of the church here on Whitegate Drive. It's a pretty little church, it's really nice. And the grounds are lovely. Lovely little tranquil place just to walk through. It's really nice. And some really old headstones under some of these trees. Let's have a look at the couple. 1831, that one down there. It's a lovely place just to come and have a little walk around. People use it, they walk the dogs through, which is fine, something to clean up after themselves and all that jazz. But yeah, nice little place. And saying you've got the very busy Whitegate Drive just over the road there. So obviously back in the day, Whitegate Drive was Whitegate Lane. It has horses and carriages going up it. The saddle was the hostelry for Martin, so that's where you'd all stop with your horses, water your horses, feed your horses, have a drink, and other than that and this, a couple of very sparse buildings. This was all open land, the whole area. until it started getting built up. Like, so much of Blackpool was just all open space and peat bogs, basically, with little culverts running through them. Little dikes that used to drain the ground. But yeah, lovely, peaceful little place. Right, I'm going to wrap this video up here, guys and girls, anyway. I just wanted to take a quick look at the Tesco fuel station, and just to inform you that the Airshow is this weekend, and if you are coming, be here really, really early, or else you're not going to find anywhere to park. I mean, people go on about Blackpool not needing any more car parks. Trust me, when you live here and visitors come in for a big event, boy, do we need more car parks. Anyway, all that said, I'll love you and leave you. So from St Paul's Church here in Marton, I'll bid you all a fond farewell. And until the next one, I will catch you later. Bye!